Hey friends, today on Doodle the Travel Bug, it's another installment of Graveyard Picnic. And today our dinner guest is my favorite witch, Agnes Moorehead.
It's the only way to fly.
The crypt of Agnes Moorehead is located in Dayton Memorial Park in Dayton, Ohio. Agnes Robertson Moorehead was an American actress whose career spanned 5 decades. She's probably best known for her role as Endora on Bewitched. Endora was Samantha's quick-witted, mortal-loathing, and fashion icon of a mother.
Samantha, I will not stand here and be insulted by something that's 90% water.
Oh, yeah? Well, how about something that's 100% hot air?
Today I use the Dead Celebrity Cookbook. So this is Agnes's recipe that she used for entertaining. This is Agnes's Lobster Mousse. This was a fun one to make. It is very, it's a very dated recipe, you know, being putting in folded egg whites and putting it into a mold and kind of shaping your food. I'm excited to try it. And she used to entertain with this. You don't look excited, be happier. This took a long time. Okay, let's talk a little bit about how Agnes passed away. She died of cancer because she was on set of this movie called The Conqueror, and they call it the Conqueror's Curse. That everybody who was on that set for a long period of time ended up dying of cancer because it was a nuclear test site. They dumped a lot of nuclear waste in this area of Utah. So it's really sad and tragic. People that produce the movie say it's all just a coincidence, of course. But I don't know, it's a lot of people. So let me know what you think of Lobster Mousse.
Not bad.
It's her recipe.
Yeah.
The texture is kind of hard, huh, to get used to.
Yeah, it's a little weird.
Yeah. It was fun to try. I don't think I'd make this again. So I folded in egg whites and it's kind of made it really light. And it's a mousse. It's a lobster mousse. Well, interesting.
For more unique travel shows, like and subscribe to see where Doodle Bug goes next.